want to turn any ordinary bike into an e-bike? Well, now you can. Meet the Livall PikaBoost 2. Let's get this thing unboxed and see what's all included.
Transform virtually any bike into a high-performing e-bike with the PikaBoost 2 conversion kit. You just need one anti-theft screwdriver to get you up and running in no time. It also comes with an instruction manual that is in-depth and detailed. It's also in color. You also get the seat post mounting clamp that fits virtually any bike, and a long USB Type-C charging cord, a seat post shim plate. And then you have the PikaBoost 2, a sleek, plug-and-play solution for riders who want to power up without replacing their whole ride. At its core is a hub motor delivering up to 500 watts peak and 250 watts continuous, letting you effortlessly conquer hills or cruise at speeds around 25 kilometers per hour, 15 miles per hour in assist mode. You can also access the battery easy on the side and even remove the battery and use it as a portable charging solution for any device.
This thing is super easy to install. First, we're going to start off by mounting the seat post mounting clamp. So my seat is easy to remove, but you can also remove these screws on the clamp and it will come apart if you don't want to remove your seat. So all you have to do now is tighten up the screws with the included tool. Don't completely tighten these up because you may have to adjust them later. Once you got your bracket on, then you can go ahead and install your PikaBoost. It's very simple. It's just one screw and you can use your existing tool. Alright, once you get the PikaBoost installed, then it's time to power the unit on and calibrate it. You turn it on by pressing the power button on the back. You see it lights up, and then you just open up your app, go to install calibration, and once you go to install calibration, then you want to go to lift up. It'll actually lift this wheel up. Alright, and once you got it lifted up, then you can go to push down. And once that's complete, that's all there is to it. Then you're ready to go riding.
The PikaBoost 2 is perfect for daily work commutes, school trips, weekend leisure rides, and elderly people. It helps reduce knee strain and stay active with safety protection. It had no problems tackling uphill climbing, city commuting, and riding in parks. I had a blast using this product. I like how easy it was to install and makes riding become effortless and more enjoyable. I don't have to worry about waking up the next day with knee pain because it relieves the pressure from my knees and makes uphill climbs easier. I was amazed at how I just simply pedaled and got boosted. The AAR algorithm intelligently adapts to your riding style and provides smart assistance.
I wanted to show you a couple more features of the app. It's packed with many different features. You can keep track of your cycling times. You can also go in and turn on and off the assist mode. You can also change the assistance level from standard to powerful. You can also go in and change the rear light settings. I absolutely had a blast testing this thing out. I will admit it's not as fast as your traditional e-bikes, but the power assist mode on this thing is pretty strong. It had me going up those hills with ease. I normally go up the hills in first gear on this bike. I could go up the hills in second gear with this. Another feature I really like about it, it didn't take me but a few minutes to install this on my bike. You'll be up and running in just a few minutes. I highly recommend you check this item out. It'll be linked down below.